Hello, my friends. One of the really convenient and incredibly useful features found on many Xiaomi phones is the ability to easily reset individual applications back to their original default state, completely eliminating the need to perform a full reformat of the entire phone's operating system and data. So you will typically go to the default settings application and open it as you normally would, or alternatively, you can simply pull down the notification bar from the very top to the bottom. After that, you tap on this option. I will proceed to tap on this particular default option, or more precisely, the default application setting. After that, I will carefully scroll down just a little bit further and diligently search for the specific option that is clearly labeled Apps, exactly as you can plainly see displayed on the screen. If your phone's interface is currently set to another language, it is absolutely crucial to carefully remember the precise locations and distinctive icons you will need to be navigating to. For instance, I will now demonstrate by tapping in this specific spot on the screen. Subsequently, I will proceed to tap on the option labeled Manage Apps directly from this particular menu or section. If this is your first time watching, please, if you don't mind, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with friends and family. So you will simply tap on these three dots located right here. Then we will proceed to tap on Reset App Preferences. Next, we will then tap on Reset Apps from this particular spot. After that, you should tap on these three dots once again, just as before. Then you will need to carefully tap on the option labeled Default Apps, which you can find right here within the settings menu. After successfully doing that, proceed to tap on the Reset to Default Settings option, which is crucial for this process. Subsequently, you will then tap on the confirmation button located here to finalize the action. By diligently following this comprehensive method, you will undoubtedly be able to effectively resolve and eliminate all the various problems and issues that you might be experiencing with your mobile phone device, ensuring a smoother and more efficient user experience. If you've successfully made it this far into the video, please don't forget to take a moment to check out this incredibly helpful and comprehensive playlist. This particular playlist contains a wide variety of valuable tutorials and insightful guides. You will undoubtedly find many important and beneficial resources there that you'll truly appreciate and gain a lot from. So with that, goodbye for now, my dear friends.